Crash course on Dominican Republic. Natural wonders and ecotourism. Welcome to a crash course on the natural wonders and ecotourism opportunities that await you in the Dominican Republic. This beautiful country is blessed with diverse landscapes, from lush rainforests to pristine beaches and majestic waterfalls. Prepare to be captivated by the natural beauty that the Dominican Republic has to offer. We'll share some interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement, followed by a detailed list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's natural wonders. Finally, we'll conclude with a poem that celebrates the breathtaking landscapes and ecological treasures of the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is a paradise for nature lovers. Here are some interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement. 1. Los Haitises National Park. Explore the mangrove forests, hidden caves, and rich biodiversity of Los Haitises National Park. This protected area is home to a vast array of plant and animal species, including manatees and numerous bird species. 2. Jarabacoa. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Jarabacoa is a mountainous region with stunning landscapes. Discover its lush valleys, cascading waterfalls like Salto de Jimenoa, and opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and whitewater rafting. 3. Samanor Peninsula. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Samanor Peninsula. Witness the majestic migration of humpback whales off the coast, visit the idyllic beaches of Las Terrenas, and explore El Limon Waterfall, a towering cascade nestled in the rainforest. 4. El Yunque National Park. Trek through El Yunque National Park, a protected rainforest known for its diverse flora and fauna. Marvel at the towering trees, vibrant birdlife, and the refreshing waters of the Yunque River. 5. Cabarete. Discover the adventure paradise of Cabarete, renowned for its world-class kiteboarding and windsurfing conditions. Enjoy the stunning beaches, adrenaline-pumping water sports, and a vibrant nightlife scene. 6. Salto de la Jalda. This impressive waterfall in the Sierra de Bajoruco mountain range offers a breathtaking sight. Take a dip in its crystal-clear pools or simply soak in the serenity of the surrounding natural beauty. 7. Isla Sauna. Escape to the pristine shores of Isla Sauna, a tropical island located off the southeastern coast. Relax on its white sand beaches, swim in turquoise waters, and explore the diverse marine life through snorkeling or scuba diving. 8. Laguna Gris Gris. Embark on a boat tour of Laguna Gris Gris in the town of Rio San Juan. Navigate through mangrove forests, visit caves, and spot native wildlife such as herons, pelicans, and iguanas. 9. Parque Nacional del Este. Delve into Parque Nacional del Este, a protected area that encompasses both land and marine environments. Explore the coral reefs of Isla Catalina, hike to the hidden Playa del Val, and witness the incredible biodiversity of this coastal park. 10. Constanza. Experience the cool climate and stunning landscapes of Constanza, located in the heart of the Dominican Republic's central mountain range. Admire its picturesque valleys, flower farms, and the beauty of Val Nuevo National Park. 11. El Limon. Journey to El Limon and marvel at the beauty of its namesake waterfall, cascading over 50 meters into a natural pool. Take a guided horseback ride through the lush surroundings for a memorable adventure. 12. Bahia de las Orguilas. Visit the untouched beauty of Bahia de las Orguilas, a pristine beach located in the Jaragua National Park. This remote paradise boasts crystal-clear waters, fine white sand, and a sense of tranquility. In summary, the Dominican Republic is a treasure trove of natural wonders and ecotourism opportunities. From national parks and rainforests to stunning beaches and waterfalls, there's something for every nature enthusiast to discover and explore. And now, a poem that celebrates the natural wonders of the Dominican Republic. In the heart of the Caribbean, a land so grand, Dominican Republic's natural wonders stand. From mountains to beaches, rivers to falls, nature's symphony echoes through it all. Los Haitises, a sanctuary of mangroves and caves, where manatees glide through secret waves. Jarabacoa's valleys, so green and serene, where adventure and beauty intertwine. Samanor Peninsula, a haven for the soul, whale songs echo as mighty creatures roll. El Yunque's rainforest, vibrant and alive, a paradise where nature can thrive. Cabaret's windswept shores invite the bold kiteboarders and windsurfers, stories unfold. Salto de la Gelda, a waterfall's embrace. Nature's masterpiece, flowing with grace. Isla Sauna, a tropical paradise unveiled. Turquoise waters and white sands entailed. Laguna Gris Gris, where mangroves abound. A hidden gem waiting to be found. Parque Nacional del Este, a coastal delight, where land and sea converge with might. Constanza's cool air, flowers in bloom. Val Lees and mountains, nature's room. El Limon's waterfall, a majestic sight. Nature's power cascading with delight. Bahia de las Orguilas, a pristine retreat. A beach of beauty where time and waves meet. The Dominican Republic, a nature's treasure. A haven for explorers seeking pleasure. In summary, the Dominican Republic offers a wealth of natural wonders and ecotourism experiences. From the enchanting national parks and rainforests to the breathtaking beaches and waterfalls, this country is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Immerse yourself in its beauty, explore its diverse landscapes, and create memories that will last a lifetime. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.